So hey guys, today I'm going to show this LG Life Good Pure K water purifier. The model number is WD518AN. Okay, so this is the boxes. This is square boxes. Here already unbox it and fix the water outlet. You have two. One is the inlet and one is the outlet at the behind. See from here. Okay, just a quick view about this water purifier LG. Okay, so I take a cup. What is so special because this is not include, no, not include. So what is so special about this device? Can this thing can come down. Yes, then you can select so I close it. Yeah, go away. Okay, so another thing, you can select the water level you want, the capacity. Okay, you can see, you can select. So it's increased by 10 ml. If you want to like preset the volume, 250, 500, 1 liter, or continue also can. Okay, so you can see here this have the Wi-Fi logo, so actually you can connect to the LG ThinQ apps. Okay, you can find it in App Store and also Google Play Store. Okay, this is you have ambient lighting, so this thing blue color, if turn yellow or red, mean it's time to replace your filter cartridge. And this have a hot water, you can select the mean 85 Celsius degree, 40 degrees, 75 degree. Okay, and this have a cool, and this ambient. Okay, so let's say I put something taller. Let's say I put it's taller. So this actually have sensor. It can stop this thing. It's called what? The water dispenser. Come down one. Can I show you? Just press. Yeah, you can stop it. Okay, and I move this thing. Yeah, come down. So this is what unique about the LG water purifier. Okay, so quick view about this device. So now I'm going to try the heater. Okay, it's a hot water, 85, I just 1240. Then I also select, I can select 120 milliliter, and I just press and start filling up the water. And I feel it is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you don't want you to stop it, or you auto stop. One is reach 120 milliliter, or one is reach the capacity you want you set. Okay, so I take. And this device also have the what's called sterilization, automatically do once or every week, which you can make a setting inside the LG ThinQ application. Okay, so the water filter is very easy. You can change yourself because the water filter is located here. You just open it. It's gone. Okay.
Filter cover is open.
Yeah.
To replace filter, please insert the filter correctly and turn it to the end and close the cover.
So you can see it can talk to you, and this is the filter. You just take out and just twist it. Then you can take out the water filter. It's very simple. Just two type of filter. Okay, one is a pre-carbon block and one is the ultra filtration filter. So this is the filter detail. Okay. Once you replace a filter, you just put back the cover. Very easy. Anyone can do it. I try to fan first. Wait. I just single hand to operate the filter. Okay. So,
Filter cleaning will be carried out for about 7 minutes, and other functions are disabled during cleaning. If the cleaning is not completed after replacing the filter, the appliance will not operate normally.
so after you replace the filter, you clean the filter for 7 minutes, but because I already cleaned the filter, so I cancel it. I just press and hold this button. I can cancel it.
Filter cleaning is cancelled.
Okay. So normally you change a new one, you clean for you for 7 minutes not running. I already canceled the cleaning process. Okay, like just now I show you, this is the apps for the water purifier. So you can set the custom setting over here. So this is your favorite. Okay, this is favorite. Maximum you can set up to 3 type of different favorite setting. Okay, so you also can track your water usage for day or week totally. Okay, so you can check from here lah. Okay, you can just move around. So you also can check, you can schedule the high temperature, sterilization, and also you can set the default output and also the volume. Okay, you can edit it as well. Edit, just press edit. You can insert the amount you want. Cancel. Okay, so here also useful info. You can check the diagnose energy for this month, and you can check it. That's all for this LG water purifier model. Okay, this is a beige color. So the design, they have pump out this dispenser. This dispenser actually you can check into their website. Actually, you can change the position. You can turn it here, but you need to ask the you can do it yourself. Ask the technician to come to help you to rotate it to here in case your kitchen is not deep enough. Maybe you are wide but not deep enough. You can just turn it, make it like a long rectangular size. So that's all for this LG quick view LG water purifier. If you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to Insurance channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.